Okay, sir. So what we is yesterday we discussed about some classic features, right? Okay, well, we'll continue same. No. So what we can call this one? Kusuma, what we can call this one? Kusuma, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What we can call this? Super
Class
ready?
standard
Standard application.
Yeah, standard application, but not normally what we
app-
can call this.
Marketing.
It is like application menu. What we can call this one? Application menu. So currently we have only standard apps, but in case if you create a new apps, that is also come where? Here only. It is like a app menu, application menu. Okay. So what is the use of this one? Switch to Lightning experience.
Updated version.
If you want to switch to Lightning latest UI in the Salesforce, you can use this option. What is the use of this my settings? What is the use of my settings? Anyone? What is the use of my settings? Nagvani, what is it?
Personal information.
Hmm. Sorry.
Personal information like account, username.
Yeah, you can check your details, like your personal details, advanced details. If you want to change the password, all those things you can do checking in the your my settings. Okay. So what is developer console? Hemlata?
Sir, developer console,
Hmm.
note like this notepad, sir.
Not program. That is like a tool to developer to write the code. In case if you want to write any programming functionality, development you want to do, where we can do development functionality, all those things. Developer console. It is like a tool where we can write a programs. Understand, madam? అర్థమైందా?
Small doubts, sir.
Tell me, madam.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు నోట్ప్యాడ్ లో ఎలా అయితే నోట్ చేస్తామో సేమ్ అలానే ఉంటుంది కదా సార్ డెవలపర్ కన్సోల్ అనేది.
UI will be like that only, but the purpose of that one is to write the programs. To write a code, we'll use that tool. Understand, madam?
ఓకే సార్.
Normally, if you see, if you want to write Java code, C language code, right? Something like that, what we can do, we can use some like a VS code, some tools are there. But in Salesforce, if you want to write code in Salesforce tool itself, we can use this developer console. Okay? Just for
Super.
development purpose. Understand? What is this one? Switch to Lightning experience. Mahesh Babu, why will you switch to Lightning experience?
I'll switch to latest version.
Lightning UI. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the setup?
If you need develop a new functionality, you need a platform that called setup.
Custom object to create a
Not new functionality, not only new functionality. Even if you want to modify existing functionality also, we can use a setup. So where it will navigate if you click setup, pass or pass?
Path to path.
Yes.
Pass. Now tell me, we are in SaaS or pass now? Anyone? Sanjay, we are in
SaaS.
SaaS or pass now?
SaaS.
How you know, sir, we are in SaaS now?
We can't create a new
Was
Correct.
developed already.
There is
object, custom object we can't create right here.
Yeah, not only custom object, we cannot create any new custom things. Custom object, custom application, custom field. Okay, anything. We cannot create new things, right? So that's why we can call it as a SaaS. SaaS means why? What is the purpose of SaaS? Just we can use the application. Select the application, just create a records, we can use the functionality. Understand? Ardhavina? Okay, so now we'll discuss about basic existing applications. Then we can go for PaaS. Okay, so for example, if you take a sales application, So these are all like important objects. Campaign, lead, account, contact, all this. So already we discussed it, right, in the notepad also. What is the sales flow? First, which will start with where, sir? Campaign. Yesterday also we discussed, right? I think. Okay, like this. Okay. For example, first we'll discuss about campaign. Already we discussed yesterday. What is campaign?
Like advertisements,
Like
bad
promotions.
promotions.
Banners.
Yeah, if you want to do campaign, before campaign, what you need? If you want to do a campaign, what you need before campaign? Why you will do
Because
campaign?
we need a new product.
Yeah, we need a products. Without products, can what you will promote? Correct? So, for example, we'll take this one, sample products. Okay. Otherwise, we'll take sample. We'll take an Amazon website. Existing product. For example, you can see here's the price, Samsung, all these things. This is a product name and all. Okay. So, so since Salesforce, what will happen if you want to create a products? Salesforce is having a object called product. What's the object, sir? Product object. Okay. So there are three important objects. If you want to configure products information in Salesforce, three important objects are there. One is product, and other one is a price book. Other one is a price book entry. Okay. I'll tell you what is the difference between each object. Okay. So normally it is a product. Product means it is just contains product name. Okay. Product type. Type means what? It is like a software product or it is a hardware product, something like that we can mention type. Product description. Okay. Like for example, if you take laptop, what's the laptop RAM size, hard disk size, color, all those things you can mention something like this, etc. etc. Okay. So what is the product object? So product object is the table is normally it will contain the product details, product name, product type, description, and all. Okay. If you go to the Salesforce, can you see anywhere product object కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు in this line anywhere?
Sir. Last tab.
Where sir? Here.
Last tab.
Yeah. So you can just click on
And
products. So you can just click on products. Salesforce, you can see if you click a products tab, okay, you can see all these things. Or by default, some products are by default Salesforce is giving some default products. You can see what the product name, product code, all these things, right? So what we can do now? If you want to use, you can use existing records, but I don't want to use existing records. What I want to do is I want to create a new products. Okay. So before creating all the things, I'll just explain all the ones at least. Okay. So if you want to configure products in the Salesforce, there are three objects are there. So first object name is what's a product. Second object name is price book. Third object name is price book entry. Okay. So this is a product object. This is a price book object. This is price book entry. Okay. So these are the three important objects we have. Okay. So normally in the product means what it will contain? mainly product name, product type, all these things, right? For example, you can take sample products. I have a product example, Samsung laptop 1. I have one more product called Samsung laptop 2, Samsung laptop 3. Example will take. Okay. So for this product, I want to I want to give the price. For example, this product is configured in okay Samsung laptop 1. This product is configured in example in USA. They started this product. So what they are giving price equals to $200. Maybe you can give a $300. Okay. Same product. So they want to sell in India. Okay. This is price in where? Eక్కడ sir? USA. Same product they want to sell in India. So price will be same, sir. Same to the product everywhere for the product price will be same for all over India.
No, sir.
What will happen? In India, what is the price will come maximum? It will be based on the demand, sir. Okay. So normally, if you take this product is manufactured in USA, they will give us some price. Okay. They don't have like a transportation charges, something like a taxes, GST. They don't have. So it is like a fixed price, $300. Okay. So when it comes to India, what will happen? They will give same price? No. Maybe India will be price will be changed because the products needs to like a transport to India, export to India, right? Import and export and import to India, GST charges, all those charges will be there. So maybe what they will do instead of $300, maybe they will add a $350. For example, same product they want to sell in China. How much? Is it same price? Same
No.
ఉంటుందా? No. Maybe based on their demand again in the China, like usage, all those things, there it will be some different price. If you observe one thing here, product is same. What is changing here?
Price. Price.
Hmm? Price is
Price.
changing. Okay. So same product, what is happening, sir? Price is changing based on the region, based on the country, whatever we can say. Example. Okay. So same product. Similarly, if you take Samsung laptop too, okay, it is one more product example. Samsung laptop too, I'm just giving. So maybe there it is like another product. In US it is 400. In India it is a 450. In China it may be $500. So product is one, but price is changing based on the country, based on the region. Okay. So that's the reason in Salesforce. Okay, in the Salesforce, if you want to configure all these things, okay, if you want to configure all these things, what we have to do is we have to use the three tables. One is product, other one is a price book object, and price book entry. So normally in the product object, what we can do? We can store product information like product name, product type, product description, and all those things. So price book, price book will do is it like a we can create a price like a price based on the region. Okay. For example, you are selling product everywhere in the all over like world at the same price. So you don't need to create a multiple prices, right? Because you are giving same price in all over India. Maybe I want to sell this product. They are also 300, here also 300. So then why you need all these things? You want to this you need these two columns are not required now. If you're selling same product all over India, all over world, not required. Same USA also same price, India also same price. Just you can create one price, one table. That's fine. But what is my question here is, in case if you want to sell same product in multiple regions, multiple countries with a different price. What, sir? With a different price. Then only what we have to do? What we have to do then only? We need to create a, for each region, each country, we have to create the different price. Understand, sir? Why we need we are creating same product multiple times here? Why we are adding same product multiple products here? Why we are combining all these things multiple times? Because same product they want to sell in a different region with a different price. So that's why you have to create a multiple data. Same data is going to assign to the multiple countries. In case I want to sell same product all over world with a fixed price. Otherwise, I want to sell my products only in USA. For example, currently your product you want to sell only in USA. So you don't need to do other things. Create only one product, just one sample standard price book, you can use it. For example, if you want to sell same product in multiple regions, countries, what you have to do is you have to create the price book, different price book for different regions. So general price book, what it is price book? Price book is nothing but we can create, we can identify, can create region or country specific products. Okay. So generally, why we'll create multiple price books, sir? Like this. So if you want to sell same product in a multiple places with a different price, then we are going to use this price book object. Okay. In case I want to sell my product all over world in the same price, you don't need all these things. Just create one price book, something called standard price book, remove it. Whenever you want to sell same product in multiple countries, multiple regions with the different prices, then we'll go for price book concept. Everyone is following? When will create multiple price books? Sanjay? At what time we can create multiple price books? Were there? Sanjay, can you hear me? Mahesh?
Want to sell the same product in multiple countries with different prices. So we use
Okay.
price.
For example, I want to sell my product only in all over India, all over world with the same price. Then what you can do? You don't need to create multiple prices. You can create only one price book called standard price book, something like that. You can sell your product into the everywhere with the same price. You want to sell your products based on the country region, we have to create the multiple price books. Okay. So product is a table. It contains product name, type, description, and all these things. So price book, why will is price book? We can create any region specific you want to sell product or country specific you want to sell products, right? With the different prices, and then we can create a price book. Okay. What is price book entries? Price book entry is nothing but it will combine both product plus price book plus price. Okay. So what price book entry is? It generally in Salesforce, what we can call price book entry is a junction object. If I want to combine product and price book, then what you can do is you can use a price book entry object. Okay. It is generally in Salesforce what we can call it is like a junction object. Okay, sir. Everyone is following what I'm saying? Okay.
Yes, sir.
For example, you can take this is a product. These are three products we have. So we can create a price book. Something I want to sell these products. India also. I will give India price book. Name is India. I want to sell same products in US also. I'll give a USA price book. I want to create a same products in China also. Then what I can do? I can create a China product. Okay. So for example, I want to sell this product in all places. I mean, I want to sell it in India. Okay. I want to sell this product in India. This one, I want to. So I want to sell Samsung laptop in India also. So similarly, I want to sell this product in US also. So similarly, I want to sell this product in China also. Now tell me what is happening here. One product is having how many price books now? How many places we are selling that product?
Multiple.
Multiple places. One product is having what we are selling here. How many places? Multiple places. I want to sell my laptop one in India, US, China. Okay. So one product is having multiple price books. Okay. So for example, same way, I want to sell this Samsung laptop 2 also in India. I want to sell why I'm getting this much of this size. I want to sell this one here. Similarly, I want to sell this product. Similarly, I want to sell this product laptop to in US also. So similarly, I want to sell this product in China also. So now again, what is happening? One product laptop 2 is having multiple price books. Same laptop 3 also I want to sell in India. I want to sell it in US. I want to sell it in China. Okay, sir. So now if you observe here, what is happening? So one product is having how many price books? One product is having how many price books?
Different.
Multiple, not different. It's like one product is having multiple price books. Similarly, if you observe here, so one price book is having how many products? In India price book now, how many products are there? Now
One.
in India we are having only one product now?
Yes.
No,
No. So in
no,
India also we are having laptop 1, laptop 2, laptop 3. Understand? Same. US also having laptop 1, laptop 2, laptop 3. So one product assigned to the multiple price books. Say one price book is having how many products now? One product is having multiple price books. So similarly, one price book is having how many products? Multiple products. If you see here, Samsung laptop 1 I assigned to the all the price books, laptop 2 all the price books, laptop 3 all the price books. So similarly, price book all the products, US price book having all the products, China also having all the products. Understanding? You're following what I'm saying? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes.
sir.
So
Yes.
one product is having multiple price books assigned. So similarly, one price book assigned to the how many products? Multiple. This is called what? What we can call this one? Is normally in this in Salesforce, what we can call this relationship is many to many relationship. What we can call?
Many to many relationship.
Uh, uh. For example, if I'll give one more example, what is many to many relationship? Okay. For example, if you take one more example, notepad is working different. For example, assume this is a student object. This is a one more object. Like example, we'll take a course. Okay. This is a student object. This is like a course, or you can say something like a teacher. Anything. For example, we'll take a course. Okay. For example, here I'll take a students. We have a Suma, Mahesh, Sanjay. Okay. So we have a three people: Suma, Mahesh, Sanjay. Three students are there. So similarly, we have example three courses are there. Example, you can take BSc. You take something like course subjects. Will take example maths. Because it's something called any other.
Physics.
We'll take Java only,
No.
SFDC, SQL example. So for example, now Suma wants to learn Java. So what we can do, for example, we can connect Suma with the Java. So similarly, Mahesh also wants to learn Java. Sanjay also wants to learn Java. Now if you observe, one course is having how many students?
Multiple students.
Multiple.
Multiple
Multiple
students.
students. Again, Suma wants to learn SFDC also. What we can do now? Again, Suma also wants to learn SFDC. Mahesh also wants to learn SFDC. Sanjay also wants to learn SFDC. Now SFDC course also having how many students?
Multiple.
Multiple.
Multiple students,
Multiple. Same for SQL. SQL also wants to learn by everyone. So now SQL also having multiple students. If you observe now course wise, Java is having multiple students, SFDC also having multiple students. If you observe from student side, Suma also having multiple courses. Yes or no? Suma also did multiple courses or one course.
Multiple courses.
Mahesh?
Multiple
Multiple.
courses.
Multiple. Okay. So like this. So this relationship, what we can call?
Many to many.
Many to
Many
many.
to many.
Exactly. Normally, what we can call this one many to relationship. One record can relate to the multiple records. So similarly, that record also can relate to the multiple records. Java also we can assign to the multiple students. Even student also can assign to the multiple courses. This is called many to many relationship in the Salesforce. Understand? అర్థమైందా? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is an example just I'm giving like for normal student and course, but so in Salesforce now we are using standard objects. So the relationship between product and price book object is what? Many to many relationship in a Salesforce. Okay. But the problem is, so we cannot connect directly many to many relationship between the two objects in the Salesforce. Directly we cannot connect, like one student can have multiple, we cannot link. For example, if I want to link one product to all the price books at only once, we cannot create it. Like I want to send this example, like we cannot link directly one product to multiple regions at a time, multiple price books, right? This is not support. Salesforce will not support. So what we have to do is, instead of we cannot connect directly product to the multiple prices at a time. So what it means is, we'll take one more example. Because this is very important topics, you need relationships and all. So that's why I'm taking more time. Okay, don't think like why I'm explaining same topic again and again. Product price book. For example, Samsung laptop 1. I'll take the price books. Okay, USA price book, India price book, China price book. I want to sell in all the places. Normally, what is happening? You cannot create a directly from this object to this object a to relationship. Like you can create product one product. Like if you want to assign this product to the at a time to the all the price books, it is not possible. You cannot create directly to relationship between like this. So Salesforce will not support directly. We cannot create a one product. We cannot assign multiple prices at a time directly. We cannot link like this. We cannot create like this. Okay. So that's why what Salesforce is supporting is if you want to assign one product to multiple price books or one price book to multiple products, okay, one product to multiple price books or one price book to multiple products, we cannot create directly the relationship between these two objects. So we have to use a one junction object. Okay, what we can call that object? Junction object here. In this case, in Salesforce, what is the junction object is? Price book entry. If you want to link one product to multiple price books, one price book to multiple products, which object we are going to use? That is, here we have to get a one connection between the junction object. To link one product to multiple price books, one price book to multiple products, which object we have to use? You have to teach a price book entry. It is a junction object to connect. So this junction object, what it will do is, this one is have connection from, this one will have connection from price book entry to product. We have to create a connection from price book entry to product. Similarly, we have a connection from price book entry to price book. Here, what we can do is we can connect the both records. Okay, so we have a connection from price book entry to product, price book entry to price book. So along with this product and price book, so here we are going to give the extra of something. For example, this is a product, this is a price book, this is the price book entry. Okay. If you want to create many-to-many relationship between these two objects, we cannot create directly. So to connect many-to-many relationship in Salesforce, what we have to do is we have to use the junction object in the Salesforce. Price book. This is called price book entry. Okay. For example, here we have a take two products. Don't confuse. We'll take two products now. Samsung laptop 1, Samsung laptop 2. For example, here price books also we can take two only now. India price book, USA price book. Okay, sir. So to connect one product to multiple price books, one price book to multiple products, can we connect directly like this? Can we connect directly like this? When in Salesforce? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do is to connect one product to multiple price books, one price book to multiple products. What we have to do? Which object we have to use? Price
Junction
book entry.
object.
That is nothing but in this case, which is what is junction object here? Price book entry. So from here to here, we have a connection. So here to here, we have a connection. So here in the price book entry, what is the product name? First, Samsung laptop 1. So you want to assign this product to the which price book? India price book. So in the product level, we can give the MRP price, something we can call it as MRP price. Example, here it is in the product level, we can give some standard price, example $100. Okay, this is like MRP price, not money. Okay? Or we can call a standard price, default price, whatever it may be. Standard price, default price, whatever it may be. So at the time of creation of product, what we have to do is we have to assign some standard price for the product. Okay, this is $100. This is example $200. Okay. So in the price book entry, what we can do? We can connect a product to the price book. How we can connect? Already connection is there from the price book entry. Already connection is there to product and price book. So just we have to connect both now. Product we have to select. Price book also we have to select. Here we have to give the price. So here, whatever the prices we are giving is, that is the price for the list price, what we can call it the list price. For example, here, so default price is how much, madam? Product default price is how much? $100. So if you want to use in India, the same price, you can use it. Okay, so like this we can connect. So now again, same laptop one, I want to assign to the US also. What we can do now again? Same product I want to sell in US, US also. What we have to do now? Where we have to connect it? So go to the price book entry, right? So go to the price book entry again. Select the product. What is the product name? Samsung laptop one. Where I want to sell now? USA price book. I want to give price example in USA. It is like $120. Now if you observe here, one product is having multiple price books or not now in the price book entry. One product is having multiple price books or not having?
Multiple prices.
Multiple prices.
Exactly. Same Samsung laptop one. In India, we have $100. Same laptop one in US, what's the price, madam? 120. So for example, I will take Samsung laptop 2 now. Samsung laptop 2. In India, I want to sell. In India price book, I want to give price equals to 150 or 200 example. Okay, whatever the default price is there, the default price I want to use for India. Okay. Samsung laptop 2, I want to sell in US. Maybe in the US there is a less demand. I'll make it a $190. So what is happening now? One product having again multiple price books, yes or no? Laptop is having multiple or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. Multiple prices.
Yeah. So similarly, if you observe now, India price book is having how many products now? In this price book entry table, India price book is having how many products?
Multiple.
Multiple. Similarly, one product is having how many products? How many price books here? Laptop 1, 2.
Multiple.
Just for example, example purpose, we are taking only 2 products. Okay, in the real time also it will be like if you take 100 products also like this only. Okay, so one product is having multiple price books. Similarly, India price book is having multiple products. Okay, India price books, what are the products are there now? Lap 1 also there, lap 2 also there. Similarly, if we take US also having lap 1, lap 2. Understand? What is the relationship between product, price book and price book entry? అర్థమైందా everyone? So normally one product can sell into the multiple countries. So similarly, one price book can have a multiple products in the sale in real time. Okay. So to achieve this functionality in Salesforce, we cannot connect directly between these two tables. If you want to achieve this like a many-to-many relationship in Salesforce, what you have to use? Which object we have to use? Which object we have to use normally? How we can create a many-to-many relationship in Salesforce? Can we create a many-to-many relationship between directly these two objects like this? Can we connect like this directly?
No.
Like this directly we can connect product table, price book table. Can we connect?
No.
No. So to achieve this many-to-many, what we have to do?
Price book entry. We can connect.
What we can call this price book entry?
Junction object.
Junction object. So in this price book entry, we have to connect a product price book connection plus what we can give the price book entry along with these two tables. We can give the price. This is called list price. Okay. So now what you can do is just now first we'll work on product table and price book table. How we can create in the Salesforce. So where we can go? This is a product table. If you open sales application, you can see this product table. Okay. So here you can see the button called new button. You can click on new button. So what are the fields available now? In this product table, what are the fields are there? Columns, product name, code,
Code.
description,
List.
product is active or not, What is this one? Family. So currently in the family, anything is there? No, it is something like a black. So generally, what is family is like, for example, I can create a product called laptop. So laptop is a hardware or software? Laptop is a hardware or software. For example, I want to create Samsung laptop, Samsung mobile. Is it like a hardware or software? Mobile
Hardware.
only.
Hardware. Hardware.
Hardware. For example, I want to create a Airtel recharge. Airtel recharge is a hardware or software? Like service.
Software.
Software.
Software service.
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 It is like a service. Okay. For example, I want to install, okay, Kaspersky antivirus. What is it? Is it hardware, software, service? What we can call?
Software.
Software. Okay. So generally, why we use this field is to identify what type of product that is. Like it is a hardware product, it is a software product, it is a service product, something you want to categorize, right? If you want to categorize something like that, we can use this field. But by default, Salesforce giving only empty values here. Normally, we can call this is a pick list field. What we can call this field in Salesforce? Pick list field. So what we can do is, so everyone is following, right? Just follow the like navigations. Just open sales application. Okay, and one more thing is first 5 days or 10 days only difficult for you, navigations. Once you do practice daily 2-3 hours, now navigation will be very easy. Okay, so go to products table. This now I want to add some pick list here to identify what is the product. So how we can add this new changes? I want to customize this one. By default, Salesforce giving this much. I want to add some new things here. If you want to add new things, what we can do normally? Where we can go? If I want to add something new, configurations, new development, or if you want to customize existing one,
Setup.
setup. Why setup? Setup is what? Pass. Pass is what? We can customize the existing application or you can create a new application, new functionalities. So, and then one more thing is always don't do everything in a single tab, a single window. Okay. Always create a new tab. It's fine. Just click a back. So always don't work on the same page. Okay. What you can do is, so already you want to create records. Why you will just touch this one? Just make it duplicate this one. So if you want to do anything, where you have to go? Setup. Setup. So what we have to do is go to the create. Here you can see the object something here. So sorry, not objects. Already product is an existing object, right? So what you can do is you can just check existing objects also available already here. So if we click a customize, we want, so you can customize the existing applications, existing things. What is the object name, madam? Product. So what you want to customize now? Column. Generally, we can call it as a fields. Okay. If you don't want all those things, simply what you can do is here you can just type a product. That's it. Automatically, it will display all the things related to the product. So now directly you can type it. You can click on the fields. Understand? So normally, if you want to customize any existing object, what you can do? You can go to the build, customize, select a product object. If you don't want all these things, what you can do? You know already project object name. Just type a product. That's it. You can click the field. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? Following everyone? Hello? Say yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir.
So these are all by default Salesforce. Why we are calling standard here? What is the meaning of standard? If Salesforce is, if Salesforce is providing what we can call it as a standard.
Standard.
Yeah, so these are all standard fields Salesforce by default providing. So now which field you want to update? Which field?
Product.
Type. Just click on this type. Okay. Click on edit. Click on product, click on edit. Not showing options here. Field usage, density. Give the option here to add the quick values. Why it is not giving? This is different. Okay. Um, this is also quick list. Not type. Actually, this is a product family. Okay. What is the field we need to modify? What is the field name here? Hello. What is the field name?
Product family.
Family. So we need to map, right? So that's fine. So I'm just confusing. So go to the product fields. Where is check? Just click the product family here. So here you can see the product family pick list values. Currently, how many pick list values are there here?
None.
None, right? So what you want now? Click new. So always don't work on single tab. So this tab is for separate. This is for, you can make it like duplicates. Don't do everything in a single tab, clicking back, front. Don't do all these things. Like open 2-3 tabs in Chrome. So here you can do the development. Here you can check the working or not, something like that. Understand what I'm saying? Arthamavutunda? Hello? Understand everyone? Why I'm saying opening multiple
Ye-
tabs here? Why, sir? Why I'm opening multiple tabs? I don't want to touch existing already. I want to create records. So again, why you want to touch this one? So you want to add something here, just open in duplicate tab. Here you can add all those things.
If I back, it was automatically saved.
Where? Yeah, you have to refresh the page. Refresh the page.
Okay, sir.
So hardware, software, service, you can add something like any other things also. But I'm tabbing earlier 3-1. Okay. Now if you go to this page, if you refresh the page, this is refresh. If you refresh the page, now you can see these values. Understand? అర్థమైందా? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will create sample products. I'm just taking a product name is Samsung Galaxy Book 4. Product code you can give anything. Samsung Lab, or I can give Samsung Galaxy 1. So it should be active. Otherwise, if this is not active means we cannot. This product will not display in the cart. Okay. So is this which product it is? Hardware. So description, like you want to add something like what is the RAM and all those things, you can add it. You can see, right? Just you can copy this information. I'll put there. Okay. Something like this. Brand Samsung model name. Click on. So I told you, right? At the time of creating product, what is the price we have to give? You remember what we can call this price? At the time of creating product, we have to give some price also. What is the product? What is the price? Okay.
Standard price.
Standard price. So you can just do one thing. You can click a save and you can add the standard price. This is one option. For example, I want to make it, this product price is $100. This also should be active. Okay. So whenever you create a product in Salesforce, along with the product, we have to give some standard price. Understand, sir? Okay, it is showing 100 rupees now. Okay, no problem. I think maybe because my currency is I have selected India, so that's what that we'll discuss currency and all a little bit later. Don't confuse now. Okay. So instead of rupees, I'll make it something like 10,000. Oh, then click save. Okay. So what is the product default price here? 10,000. Okay. In case if I want to get one more product again, what you have to do? Again, I want to get one more product now. What you have to do? Go to this table, click a new button. I can create one more product now. Tell the product. I'll take this one example. So this is also four. I'll give a 5 just for understanding purpose. Active, family hardware, product code I can use Samsung Galaxy 5. Description, you can add something here. Okay. You can click save and add the price. Otherwise, if you want to add immediately, what you can do? Save and add price. That is the difference between you can add the immediately price also here. I'll make it 20,000 example. Click on save and save a new product. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between these two buttons now? Save and save a new product. What will happen? Save means record will save. We can see that record page. If you click a save, we can see this record is created and we can see the both product and standard price. Right? If you click a save and new, what will happen? It will open again. Which screen?
New product.
New product
New
screen.
one.
This screen will open again. Okay. So I'll create one more product maybe. I'll take this as Samsung Galaxy Book 6. Okay. Active. Product family, I can give a hardware. Code, I can give Samsung Galaxy 6. Description, you can add something here. So currently, whatever Salesforce is giving columns and all we are using. In case if you want to create new columns in the product table, you can create multiple things. Again, if you want to give product image, you want to add, right? If you want to add product, other description, product specifications, you want to do so many things you want to add, you can add it. But now what we are doing is, currently we can use the existing functionality, whatever Salesforce is providing. Save and add price. I'll make it a 30,000. Click on save. If I click save new product, what will happen? It will show the screen like this. So that you no need to go to the again save, again click on this tab, again click on new button. All these steps will be automatically removed. Understand, sir, how to create products in Salesforce? How to assign the default price? అర్థమైందా? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do is your assignment. So create records like this in your all, and you can use this. There is something called Chrome extension. Awesome screenshot. You can just add it. Awesome screenshot tool. So it will help to take a screenshot and it will be very good actually. Okay, you can just add this to your Google Chrome. Okay. Awesome screenshot extension. So add this this extensions to your screen, sir. Okay, add to Chrome. So it will available like this. So once it is available like this, what you can do, for example, so I want to know you are doing assignments or not. How I can know? So after creating all these things, just you can click on this. I want you just share me this part. You can use a full visible part also. You can share me. Otherwise, you can share this one. Click a select area. Click on this caption. So you can download this, copy it or download it. Download it and share me in the WhatsApp group. Understand, sir? అర్థమైందా what I'm saying? So in case if you stuck anywhere, just please let me know. Or we'll connect and we'll see how to do this. So this is mandatory, sir. So whatever the work we are explaining in the class, same thing you have to do. And you don't need to create same products. You can take Lenovo also. You can take something LG also. Whatever you want, you can take it. Create sample products. I'm creating only 3 products. You can create 5 products, 6 products, whatever you want, you can create. Share me the screenshot so that understand you are working or creating records in your. That is the assignment you have to do. Okay. And tomorrow we don't have a class, sir. Again, we have classes on Saturday. We'll connect Saturday this week. Okay.